Hello and welcome to the Rooms with a View Crochet Along blanket with King Cole. I'm Eleonora from Coastal Crochet, and this is the third Crochet Along blanket that I have designed for King Cole, following on from Tropical Shores and Postcards with Love, and now we have Rooms with a View. It's a blanket I'm incredibly happy with, and it celebrates rooms with a view, and these can be rooms local to you, they can be in your home, they can be with family, friends, maybe you've stayed somewhere on holiday, maybe it's a random view from a random room somewhere in the world, but this blanket captures the essence of beautiful views from rooms, and I hope you enjoy it.